Dear Jacinda, when you speak the world stops. You break the glass ceiling and exemplify how to rise to the top. Dear Jacinda, as the sun is tucked down by Maui's might, I ponder the tracks we trek will sustain enough light. With blind ambition I seek safety through the night. With the sight of my soul my hopes fly higher than any kite. Dear Jacinda, the shelves in Pack and Save are restocked, but my cupboards are not. My spirit feels weak, and my rivers of hope are beginning to clot. Dear Jacinda, our humanity is being tested. First thing to manifest was the hysteria that festered. But I take it as each day comes. I hold on to the hope that we will rise again just like the sun. Lest we forget the lives we have lost. If we wait for tomorrow's promise, the souls that have passed shall be the only adequate cost. Dear Jacinda, you stride with such elegance and ease. Your kindness, compassion and intelligence what will kill this disease. Dear Jacinda, sometimes I wonder if you've slept. The elongated, dutiful days, the enigmatic, neurotic nights. I pray your family is well kept. Dear Jacinda, the noise in the streets have lowered, but the bills remain the same. Your financial supplement is barely enough for sustenance. How do I access the help I need before I go insane? Dear Jacinda, how dare you? The audacity of your party to let the financial foundation of this society crumble. Now my workers are screaming for more. It was better when they mumbled. Dear Jacinda, I miss my family. Knotted are the laces of my boots. Photos, messages, videos, calls are not enough to ground me to my roots. Dear Jacinda, the fish are swimming, the birds are singing. Hopeful are the sprouts that will grow into trees. Healing is the time you have given her, now she can be free.